Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Star Citizen error code 3004. The error reads, "Something went wrong while downloading the game. Please try again." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to download the game. It prevents the game from being properly installed. According to our research, the error happens because some of the installed game files are corrupted, or there was a network issue during the download. This could also happen due to problems with a specific file, system interruptions, or issues with certain ISPs or VPNs. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to lower the download settings in the RSI launcher. Simply open the RSI launcher and go to Settings, then select Download. Then set the concurrent downloads to 15 and the download speed to 25,000 kbs. Then start the download, and when about 2 GB is left, manually pause and then resume it. Then check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then try verifying the game files. Simply open and log in to the RSI launcher. Then go to Settings and select the channel where the game is installed. Then ensure the game install location is correct. Then click Verify and wait for the process to complete. Then check for the error again. If the error still persists, then fix the data.p4k file. Simply go to your game installation folder. By default, it's located at Program Files /RobertSpaceIndustries/StarCitizen/live. Then find the file named data.p4k and rename it to data.p4k.part. Then right-click the RSI launcher and run it as administrator. Then click Install and let the process finish. Once done, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then delete and reinstall both the RSI launcher and the game. This should only be done if other steps don't work. Follow the official instructions to fully remove all related files. Then reinstall the launcher and game. And check for the error again. If the error still doesn't resolve and you're using a VPN, then disable it temporarily. Simply open the RSI launcher without the VPN active and try downloading again. At last, if nothing helps, then the issue may be with the RSI servers. In that case, the only option is to wait. You go to the RSI status page and check the server updates. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.